So it's vacation time. You're going on a trip, you have ADHD, you don't know how to pack everything. These are some tips that you can use to pack your suitcase and have a more fun vacation. One of the things that really helped me is to have some bins or containers around as I'm getting ready for vacation. I just go by and put whatever I need in that bin. It's like prepping for the vacation, but not putting it in the suitcase yet. Just getting everything ready so that when you are ready to pack everything, you go to that bin and you pull out everything that you need and you just pack it in your suitcase. Really easy. And it's really a lot quicker when you do this because you know, hey, even if you don't have everything quite in the suitcase, you know you have some of the essential stuff that you don't have to go around and look for. And the other thing that's really nice about this is you can start wherever you want to and whenever you want to actually start putting that stuff in there. You want to do it super early because you know, hey, I might just miss the deadline for the vacation. I might just not be able to get ready at that point. So you just start really early, or you can just wait until you get closer to the vacation and hope you have everything in there. But if you don't, then it might not be a good time when you're trying to get ready and actually get out the door to go on your vacation. So what you want to do is actually make a list of everything and go down and just write things. And it can be a list like a running list, so you don't have to do it all at one time. Just through the days as you're getting prepared for your vacation, as you think of something, just add it to the list. And then at the end of everything, where you're getting ready to go on your vacation, go back and check the list. Now, you want to check it twice or three times to make sure you do have everything. Now, the thing about this is you can just do it just off memory if you want to, but I think it's really good if you actually brainstorm and figure out everything that you might need. Just start making a list of things, and you don't have to make it all at one time. And you might think of more things as you get closer to the vacation. You might even think of things on the day of the vacation. Now, this list is not a guarantee that you will have everything for your vacation because I have a list and I've still left stuff behind. And just get to the spot where I was going on vacation and realize I really did forget something and I do have to go out and buy that thing if I need it. I may not need it. I may be like, it was nice to even think about bringing it, but I don't have it and I don't really need it while I'm on vacation. So it's okay. Now, even with the list, make sure to bring the basics. You don't want to get somewhere and realize you left all your underwear at home or don't have toothpaste or don't have shirts or shorts or whatever you need to wear on your vacation. You just forgot them completely. And now you have to go out and buy some different things. So whatever you need that is essential to you, make sure that you have it before you leave your home because it's really just not a good thing when you get somewhere and you're like, man, I forgot something I really absolutely need and I need it today. And now you're going out and looking around and trying to find a store that you can buy it from and they may not have what you need. And besides what I mentioned, here are some things. Chargers, all your chargers for your phones. If you're going out to a formal event, you need to bring your dress or your suit or whatever you need to wear at the event, and also bring the shoes. I have gone to a formal event and I didn't bring my shoes and they gave me directions to a place to go buy shoes. I got confused. I was late for getting there and we were late to the event. So all of that happened because I didn't bring the shoes that I was supposed to bring and have everything for the event we were going to. Other things to make sure you bring umbrellas or a sweater that has a hoodie on it. So just in case it rains, that you don't get rained on. And also something else you need to bring is some sort of jacket, either a light jacket or a heavy jacket, but it is a essential thing to have because if you've ever gone on vacation and said, hey, okay, I'm going to go to a movie or go to some place inside and you get in there and it's freezing cold and you're just like, okay, I didn't need a jacket because it's 90 degrees outside, but in this theater, I need a jacket. Or in this event that I'm at, in this place I'm at, I really need a jacket. So you want to always carry one with you. So just in case you do get cold, that you do have something there that you can wear. And something else essential is to have your toiletry bag already pre-packed with all your toiletries. You can get all the travel sizes or just extra and just put it in there so you don't have to worry about it. It's not something else you have to go look and find everything to put in there, and have a hanging one. Because what you do is once you get to your hotel, your destination, you can just hang it up somewhere in your room, whether it's on the closet hanger or maybe they have a hook behind the door. You can do it like that. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is mine. I have everything in there already, right? All pre-packed, ready to go. So if I have to go on a trip, I just automatically can go ahead and take this bag and not have to worry about anything else in there. And what I do, I just leave that bag in there. And that's the thing you probably need to do as well. And this brings me to the other point. Pre-pack some stuff in your suitcase. Things that you already know you need, that you have extra of, that you know that you don't need them right now. You just need them for vacation. You bought some special stuff for vacation that's only going with you on the vacation, you don't need it at home, go ahead and pack that stuff so you do not forget it and you know that you have it as you're going out the door to vacation. It's going to make it also much easier for you to go back and pack when you're finally ready to do the final packing for your vacation. You know, some stuff's already in there, and that way it makes it much easier and also much faster, because now you're just putting the extra stuff that you couldn't put in there before because it was essential for you to have at home. Also, you need to remember this: prepare for extra days when you are going on vacation, because you don't know what will happen. You might have a flight delayed, you might just break down the road, or there might be a super traffic jam or a storm or whatever it is, right? Just all these things could happen that are unexpected, and now you're stuck without the clothes or the things that you need because you didn't pack for extra days. So you want to make sure you have a couple of different things, like maybe some extra clothes, extra medication if you take that, extra toiletries that you need and everything like that. So you want to make sure that you have that stuff for more days. Now, the caveat to this is not too many days. Like, there is no reason for you to pack. If you're going away for 3 days, don't pack for 9 days, obviously. Maybe pack for 5 days. You just don't want to overpack as well, too, because I've been to the overpacking thing. You know, I used to be the 9-day prepare for the 3-day vacation kind of person, but I had to learn to kind of pare it down, because what it does, it just makes you have clothes left when you get home. And then you just have to go back through and take all those clothes out when you get home and find places for them, put them away again. And it's just a whole lot of work when you actually get back from vacation, when you just want to actually just be in your home and relax. And the other thing is, it makes your suitcase a lot heavier. So now you're just lugging around the suitcase that's super heavy because we put too many clothes in there. So just limit how many extra days you're packing for. So again, probably 2 days or 3 days extra should be pretty good. And also, something about vacation: what if you are traveling with your family and you have different people with different bags with different things? You want to actually color code things, because you want to be able to tell whose is which. So for toothbrushes, for example, get a green, a blue, a red, and a pink one, whatever, and just give it to every specific person. You all have a specific color. Okay, your bags are this specific color, or maybe they have a little tag on it that is this specific color. So your bag has a green tag on it or a red tag on it. Hey, that's for you. That is your bag. So that way there is no arguing. Everybody knows whose stuff is which stuff, and there's no getting toothbrushes confused or brushes or whatever else that people are like, hey, that's mine, don't touch it. So I know how the family dynamic works. You know, you can have some not so good situations when you're on vacation around each other all the time. So this is going to help kind of make that more stress-free, because then everybody knows whose stuff is which stuff. And here's something else you need to bring with you. Make sure you bring Ziploc bags along with you. They are essential because they do just so many things, as in holding so many things. For example, you need to bring snacks along with you. Bring some Ziploc bags. You have that. You need to make sure your lotion does not spill all over your suitcase. And that's happened to me before. And then you're going through and trying to get the lotion off the clothes and everything. Put that lotion in a Ziploc bag. So if it does come open, it only comes open in the Ziploc bag. Just about anything that you need to keep together to make sure it just doesn't go all over your suitcase or just gets lost somewhere, put it in a Ziploc bag. It's much easier to find, and it's going to make sure that things just don't get messed up on your vacation as well. And now, if you are enjoying the content, go and subscribe for me, and also leave me your best ADHD vacation tip in the comments. Now, the next thing is limit your distractions. You want to be able to focus and concentrate just on packing. So you don't want to sit like right in front of the TV and your new season of your best show comes on and you get engrossed in that and you get no packing done whatsoever. So don't do that. And also kind of just tell your friends, hey, I'm going to be packing right now, so let me get done with packing and then I'll call you back. You know, let me have this time to actually pack. Because the thing that I don't like is when I'm packing, I keep getting phone calls. I have to answer the phone, and then that distracts me from actually packing. Or I'm just answering text messages all the time, back and forth, trying to figure out things, and that distracts me from packing too. And then when I come back to try to pack, I've just forgotten where I was in the packing process. And then I have to go and figure out, okay, I was doing this and packing this. Okay, now I'm back at the spot. So just do whatever you need to do to limit the distractions while you're packing so you can concentrate, focus, and get it done as soon as possible. And this is super essential when you're trying to pack for vacation to keep up with time. Make sure that you have reminders somewhere, whether it's sticky notes, just in different areas to remind you, hey, vacation is this day. Hey, you need to get this done at this point on this day. You just have sticky notes all around where you have them to where you can see them so that you're reminded that day is coming soon. Or the other thing is you have reminders on your phone that sends you notifications, or on your computer that sends you notifications about the time that vacation is coming around. Or even just have a calendar up somewhere where you've written vacation and you've put an arrow there so you can see how many days you're going to be gone. Just have it somewhere where you can see it so you can make sure, hey, I know when my vacation is. And you can even do this. Hey, vacation's here, and write in, these are my packing days. These are days when I need to start the process of packing. And so you have all those dates on there. And even with reminders, make sure you double check and triple check. And if you triple check, usually quadruple check, do it at least one more time than you usually do to make sure you have everything. Run through your list one more time. Look through all your suitcase and everything one more time to make sure everything is there, that you are not forgetting something, because it's really hard to just have a good vacation if you have forgotten something. And here's another video I think you'll enjoy. It's about ADHD and boredom, because generally when I think about going on vacation, I'm usually very bored at the time and want to do something to actually spice up life and everything. So I think you'll enjoy that video. It should go up on your screen. Just click it and you can watch that video right now.